Zachary David Alexander Efron, professionally known as Zac Efron, was born on 18th of October in 1987. Today is celebrating his birthday of 37 years. He is an American actor who began his career in early 2000s and rose to prominence as a teen idol for his leading role as Troy Bolton in the high school musical trilogy released from 2006 to 2008. During this time, he also starred in the musical film Hairspray in 2007 and film 17 Again released in 2009. Other movies he acted in are Charlie St. Claude, New Year Eve, At Any Price, Rebel at The Rocks, The Lucky One, The Paper Boy, Portland, Neighbors, The Awkward Moment, We Are Your Friend, Dirty Grandpa, Mike and Dave Need Wedding Date, Baywatch, The Disaster Artist, The Greatest Showman, Scooby, Save Ralph, God, The Greatest Beer Run Ever, and many others. His recent movie are The Iron Crow, released in 2023, Rick Stanek and A Family Affair, released in 2024. He also acted in many television series including EL, Miracle Run, The Guardian, Triple Play, Summerland, CIS Miami, Heist, High School Musical, ncis, High School Musical 2, Entourage, Robot Chicken, Human Discoveries, and his recent Down to Earth with Zac Efron, released from 2020 to 2022. He also appeared in music video Sick Inside by Hope Paulo, released in 2005, and Say OK by Vanessa Hudgens, released in 2007. In his career, he was nominated many times and won different awards, including Best Acting Ensemble in 2008, Comedy Star of the Year in 2016, and he was nominated many times. Wishing happy birthday to Zac Efron. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write to the comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Uyu munsi ni isabukuru y'amavuko ya Zachary David Alexander Efron, uzwi nka Zac Efron. Uyu munsi yagiye isabukuru y'amavuko y'imyaka 37. Akaba ari umunyamerika w'umukinnyi w'amafilime wamenyekanye mu mwaka wa 2000, aho yakinnye muri filime yitwa Troy Bolton, muri filime yitwa High School Musical yasohotse kuva 2005 kugera 2008. Nyuma y'iyo filime ye ya mbere yagaragaye mu yindi filime Hairspray muri 2007. 2009 ahita ajya no mu yindi filime yitwa 17 Again. Zimwe mu zindi filime yakinyemo harimo nka Neighbors, Portland, Paper Boy, Neighbors, Baywatch, The Disaster Artist n'izindi nyinshi. Iyaheruka kugaragaramo ni Rick Stanek na A Family Affair yasohotse muri 2024. Akoze kubana nanjye na usakanda like na subscribe by'umenye makuru agezweho. Hari itekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.